Watched the weather last night. I was hoping they'd be wrong. They called for snow this morning. Woke up and, well, yeah, it snowed. It's supposed to turn to rain by this afternoon. Well, it's raining. But we got a fire going. We're nice and warm in the house. But it's only, yeah, that says it's closer to 30 or 40. The digital one says it's 33, 34. Supposed to get a warmer front coming in. Yeah, I forgot to close the chicken coop. So, all my friends are hanging out in here. This is where they hang out if I don't close that up. Now I gotta go spread manure, so I forgot to plug this in. The old 275. We'll see what happens. It doesn't like the cold. Today. Looks like the building's on fire. Let that warm up a minute. Hold the floor down. Make everything nice and clean. Got the barn cleaner running. Let's see how full the spreader is. Yeah. It's full. Oh, there's room in the front. We'll just have to wiggle it a little bit. It'd be nice to have a canopy or a roof to park under, but we don't, so there we go. Old shirt sleeve. We'll get her done here. That's full. Several videos of making haylage, baling hay, mowing. That's a pork crop growing there. And be able to make, like everybody else, daggone rain. I'm going to try spreading in the cornfield. See if we can get stuck. I got my camera with me. Hopefully we do. Don't. No, I don't want to. Make for a good video, but that's about it. It'll keep the stuff from hitting you in the back of the head. The manure works pretty good. Use it as a foot flap, a manure flap. Well, that was uneventful. Kind of a crappy video so far. Nothing exciting happening. But I think it's raining harder. Oh, I pitched down some hay. I don't know if there's enough light in here. It's usually full. We're a little less than half full now. Going into November. I was telling you about the 2 months of no hay production there. You know, I figure there's between 5 and probably 700 bales of hay still standing out in the field. Too much rain. So, I don't know what we're going to do. We'll figure something out though. Feed this up and do something. Feed them snowballs, I guess.